Bonjour monsieur et madame, it is me le chef Reddit, today I have a specialala Reddit for you. Bon appétit and remember to subscribe.
What video game sound effect can you still hear in your head? Hash. Coin popping out of a brick in Super Mario Bros. Edit, thanks for the kindness, rich internet persons. Yoshi's tongue MLEM is going to be ingrained in my head forever. Edit, Jesus, came home from work to 22k upvotes and gold. Gonna have to write an award ceremony speech crediting Yoshi for my success. Sega, edit, blooming heck. Ridiculous thanks for the silver and gold. I just posted this as a throwaway before bed, so waking up to all these memories is ace. I debated punctuation and caps but ended up going all caps just because I remember how spine-boltingly loud it always was, especially when me and my brother would try and sneak the Mega Drive upstairs for a late-night game or two. Fatality. The Game Boy startup sound, if that counts. Waka 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 from Pac-Man. Double kill, triple kill, killtacular. Falcon PUUUNCH. PK Fire. Peace 2 booting up if that counts. Edit, thanks for first silver kind stranger. Edit 2, gold 2? Never felt this loved. GameCube opening sequence. Mario Jump. Collecting tilde coins tilde rings in Sonic. Sim speech. EA Sports. It's in the game. Edit, my apologies. Rings in Sonic, coins in Mario, SMH. It's been too long since I played either of them. The Yoshi hover grunt from Yoshi's Island, my first video game ever, smiley face. Edit, the GBA version. Nirnroot. The health regen humming from Halo. Edit, thanks for the award, Chief. The M1 Garen's sheeing when you fire the last bullet. Get over here. All the Age of Empires 2 villager sounds. Mission failed. Well, get M next time. Captain Price was a god among men. EA Sports, it's in the game. The battle music from the original Pokémon games. The Leap of Faith Eagle Screech from Assassin's Creed. Minecraft Villager. Skyrim's level up sound effect. Minecraft eating noises. FF Victory fanfare. Watch those wrist rockets. Sonic both when he drowns or when you get that last second bubble to save yourself from drowning. Call of Duty hit marker. In Rayman there are these little things behind doors, and when you get close to the door they say, "Help me." The click, 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 click of a coaster going up a hill from any of the Roller Coaster Tycoon games. Ah, fresh meat. MW2 Tactical Nuke Countdown. Pac-Man. Take your pinky and scratch the inside of your ear 4 times to hear it for yourself. Collecting XP in Minecraft. Silencer in GoldenEye Carrot Pew. The hammer from Donkey Kong. The sound when you mount onto Yoshi. The Pokémon Center healing sound. The sound on Skyrim when you complete or receive a quest. The sound of a door teleport in Doom. Update, thanks for all the responses guys. Poke Center sound. Also, greater than. The Roblox oof. An ally has been slain. That notification kinda sound effect in GTA San Andreas, when it notifies you that your stamina has been upgraded, for example. The Circus of Valueeee. Yoda dying in LEGO Star Wars. Wasted. StarCraft Brood War. Sound of Dragoon exploding into blue goo. Sound of pylon warping in. You must construct additional pylons. Honestly, every single sound in that game. The opening to Skyrim. The power-up sound from Mario Brothers. The WoW level up sound. Nothing else can fill me with such an immediate dopamine rush. Mario coins, Link opening a chest, hey, listen, Samus charging in Smash, Lavender Town and the original bike theme, the Pokeball BWIP. CSAWP shot. OOBIDIGAH. Also basically all the Crash Bandicoot sound effects. CCCCC combo breaker. Intro sound Half-Life. The original Doom guy's injury grunt. Jumping from a high building into a pile of hay in Assassin's Creed. Ha!
Thank you for watching. What was your favorite answer? Do you have a better one? Comment it down below. Au revoir.